coding video, we will understand the problem 5 of problem set 4 for edX MIT 6.00.1x Introduction to Computer Science and Programming using Python. Before we begin, please understand that there may be several possible ways to solve any given coding problem. The way I am attempting to solve this is just one of the many possible solutions. If you want, you can pause this video here, try to attempt this problem on your own, and then come back to this video to see the way I have tried to solve this. Okay, let's start. Now we have to do our coding within the pseudocode as mentioned. So first we remove this comment. Total underscore score equal to 0. We take a variable total underscore score to keep track of the total score and initialize it to 0. Num underscore letters is equal to calculate hand len hand while num underscore letters greater than 0. Then we invoke the calculate hand len function we coded earlier to find out the total count of letters in the hand and start a while loop with the condition that it runs until the letter count is greater than 0. Print current hand and is equal to current display hand. Then a print statement to print current hand and also calling the function display hand to display it. Word underscore input is equal to input enter word or a period to indicate that you are finished. Next, we ask for the input from the user and store it in word input. If word underscore input equals period and the game break, then a condition to check whether the input is a period or dot, and if it is, then break out of the loop. Else, if is valid word word underscore input and word list equal false. Then the else condition, and inside that an if condition to check whether the word is invalid. For this, we make use of the is valid word function. Print invalid word, please try again. Print. If the condition is true, we reject the invalid word by printing a message followed by a blank line. Else points equal to get word score word underscore input and total underscore score plus is equal to points print word underscore input found points total total underscore score points print. And if the word is valid, we calculate the points earned by invoking the get word score function and also updating the total score by adding the points to total score. Then we print the points and total score. Hand is equal to update hand and word underscore input num underscore letters calculate and len and next we update the hand by calling update hand function and also calculate the number of letters again. If word underscore input equals dot print would by total score, total underscore score points. Else print run out of letters, total score total underscore score points. Run use. Finally, outside the loop, we check for the last word input, and if it was a period, then we print goodbye and total score. Otherwise, we print run out of letters and the total score. So our function is complete now, but before we submit it to the grader, let's first test it locally with the cases provided in the problem. So for case 1, word list is equal to load words play hand h colon 1 I colon 1 C colon 1 Z colon 1 M colon 2 A colon 1 word list 7. First store word list using loadWords function and then we call the playHand function with the arguments given in case 1. Now we run the program. There is an indentation error. So if this and else, yeah, corrected. Points dot total. Alright. Now we see we enter the case 1 inputs. First we enter him HIM which earns 24 points. Then can which makes it a total of 45 points. And next a period to end. And we get the output as expected. So our case 1 works. Next to case 2. For this we change the playHand and make it W1 S1 T1 or T2 A1 So run the program. So as in case 2, we enter first TOW, returns 18 points, then TASF, which is an invalid word, then fast, with which we earn 28 points and a total of 46 points, and also we run out of letters. Total score is 46 points. So we pass the case 2 test as well. Finally, for case 3, we change the playHand to N1, E1, P1, A1, R1, and I2. Run this program once again. This time we enter inertia as given in case 3, and we see it earns a total of 99 points and run out of letters. So our third case works as well. Thus we have tested that our code is correct and working. Before we submit the code, we need to make sure that we have deleted or commented out these lines which we are using to test our function, and after that only we do our submission to the edX header. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching it. If something is not clear to you, you can watch this video again. After that, if you still have some confusion or query, leave a comment below with your question. If you are looking for the answer of some particular Python problem, please feel free to mention the same in the comments below, and if possible, we would try to post a video with the solution for the same. If you want us to keep posting more such videos, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with others, and do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.